This video will demonstrate how bill of materials are transferred from Autodesk Vault to Business Central. Before transferring, please make sure that AV2 ERP is installed. If AV2 ERP is installed, you will see these options in the item shortcut menu. Go to the settings and configure integration for Business Central using OData Web Services. Before sending the data, go and check whether bill of materials is there or not in Business Central. As you can see, bill of materials is not present. Now we'll transfer the bill of materials. You can see that items are getting transferred. Bill of materials header is also transferred. And even bill of materials lines are also transferred. Now, if you go and check whether bill of materials header and bill of materials lines are transferred to Business Central. As you can see that bill of materials are successfully transferred. For more details, you can contact on email given in below description. Thanks for watching.